So Professor Liu is going to teach you create an abstract class bank account. So when this bank account, you are going to have one private variable is balance, and you are going to have some action deal with this balance. A bank account, you can deposit, you can withdraw, you can check balance. All right, so let's start it right now. So we're going to create a new project, and this is empty project. It's okay. And I'm going to call this chapter 7 classwork and 2. Is that right? It's called bank account. Bank account. So far, okay? All right. So we don't need this. All right. I don't need this. All right. So right clicking. I'm going to add a new class. New class, not an item. New class. And bank account and B uppercase. Bank. Because there are two words, the second word uppercase too. So it's called camel style. It's okay. You hit OK. So I have bank account right now. All right. So any class always have two parts. So private and public. All right. So then and private is always the value, whatever the data right there. And the data right here we have is balance. That's a balance. We have 1. All right, so that's starting from something here. We're going to write bank account. All right, so this is my constructor. All right, so I'm going to put right here, create it. My constructor here, okay, so is balance equals 0. Okay, balance equals 0. So we got 1 right now. And look, I'm going to do another one. Okay, I'm not do another one. All right, exactly the same thing here, but here I'm going to say double B. All right, so I'm going to double B. So this is called overload. These two exactly the same name, but this one do not take argument. This one take a 1. So this one is you don't give me anything, I reset to 0. And the second one say this. You want to give me something, so your balance start with the value you gave me. All right. So the difference for this one, the first one is called mutate. This one is called default constructor, and this one called mutate constructor. So easy way is the first one is initialize. You don't give me anything. Second one is I take your whatever you want to do. All right. Now we're going to do the deposit, right? All right. So when you deposit what? Anybody who can tell me what you deposit? You must deposit an amount of money. Is that right? True? You cannot deposit air. You must deposit something. Is that right? So I must have an argument. I need to have an argument because you cannot deposit air. You have to deposit something. All right. So we're going to write here. When you deposit here, you deposit some amount. That's not air. You deposit some amount of money. That will be make my balance plus equal that amount. If that's 100, my balance will increase by 100. If that's 1,000, my balance will increment by 1,000. Understand? All right. Now we're going to withdraw. Okay. Withdraw. Then, same thing when you withdraw. you don't withdraw air. You withdraw some amount of money. Is that right? And then let's take a look how we withdraw. When you withdraw some amount of money, my balance will be decreased. By that amount. Okay, you withdraw $50, I subtract 50. You withdraw $1,000, I subtract $1,000. Okay? Alright, then we're going to display right now. We're going to check balance. So double check balance needs, whenever you need somebody to see it, you need to return it. Okay? Check balance. Alright? So you check balance here. When you check balance, you just return your balance. Okay? You just return your balance. So that makes sense. You want to check balance, I return balance. Alright, so the last one will be till date. Till date and bank account. Okay, so this one, I'm going to destroy the memory location borrowed from using this account. It's okay? So you don't need to write code. Microsoft take care of that. So you have default constructor and you have mutator constructor. You deposit, we withdraw, you check balance, and you have bank account destroy the memory location we use it. So right click it. You're going to add a new item right now. So I'm going to say use bank account. Alright, so golden 7 line. Alright, now once I return my golden, complete my golden 7 line, first line I have to do is include, then quotation, okay? Quotation is bank account. Once I have that right now, I can use. So my class is done. I'm going to create object. So bank account, okay? I'm going to say my account equal. I'm going to do bank account. This is default constructor, but I'm going to do this. Okay, same way here. New student account. Alright, then we're going to start with $1,000. Alright, so the first one, line number 6, I'm using default constructor. So my value, my balance is 0. Second one, my balance is 1,000. Okay, let's do the first one here. Okay, we can do my account and then I can deposit. And let me deposit 1,000. How about that? Then my account. Then I want to withdraw. Let's withdraw $300. Okay, how much is that right now? I'm going to say CL, my balance, my account balance equal, then my account the check balance. Is that right? Check balance. All right. Am I going to put a dollar sign in front? Look nice. All right. All right. So let me run this one right now. So I have my account, and my account, the initialization for my balance is 0. So I have 1,300 should be 700. Okay, let's run it right now. So build it and start without debugging. So it's 700 right now. So if I change this here to have a student account here is okay. So I'm going right here. I'm going to just say student account here and deposit. I'm going to deposit $1,000. It's okay. And student account here, and I'm going to withdraw, and I'm going to withdraw $300. Do the exactly same thing. Then I'm just going to copy this line here, and I'm going to say student account balance, and instead of here I'm going to put student account. Alright, so I'm going to do this. I will see a difference right now. It's okay. So they are exactly the same thing. This one is 1,300, but this come out 700. This should come out 1,700 because the original already have 1,000. Let's run it right now. So build it and start without debugging. Alright, so can anyone tell me right now why I do exactly the same thing, but my account is $700 and student account is $1,700? Can anyone tell me? Exactly, Perry. Student account started with $1,000. Started with 1,000. How do you know that? Because hey, it's bank account tell you that. Okay, bank account tell you this. You can start with some value here. Then I start with $1,000. I start with $1,000. So this is called a default constructor. It's called mutator constructor. You start with value. Then when you use your function, only object can use it. Bank account, once you create this object, bank account are gone now. You cannot call bank account anymore. Okay. After line 6 and 7, bank account is going to go to become the background information. Now is object. This stage belong to the object right now. So object will call the function created by class, and to do the action, deal with the private variable. Okay, I